This is the sternum. So this is the sternum, and this part, this whole part connecting with the two ribs, the first rib and the second rib, this is the manubrium of the sterni. This is the body of the sterni starting with the 3-1, and this small part is the xiphoid process. All you can see here, this is the manubrium of sterni, this is the body, and this is the xiphoid process. So if you talk about, we are only focusing on the manubrium of the sterni. If you see on the manubrium, here is the attachment of the first costal, and this part which is called sternal notch, this part, sternal notch, here the clavicle articulates. If I let me show you. Okay, this is the left one and this is your right one. Okay, here the clavicle basically articulates. Here the clavicle articulates to form the, this is your right, and let me show you, this one is your left. Here it gets attachment. Here it gets attachment to form the left sternoclavicular, and here it gets attachment to form the right sternoclavicular joint. As we have